You may be wondering if you should build a LinkedIn profile, and the answer is yes, you should. And here are 5 tips to help you build your LinkedIn profile. First, you need a valid email address. Try to stick with first name, last name. Next, you need a professional looking photo. It doesn't have to be fancy, just make sure it's a headshot, shoulders and up, and also make sure you smile. Not sure what to wear in your photograph? No worries. Check out our video on what should I wear to work for tips on how to dress and look your best. Tip number 2. Add your education to your LinkedIn profile. This includes the current school you're going to and any schools you went to previously, but make sure you only stick with high school and college. Next, be sure to add your major to your profile as well. Also be sure to list any extracurricular activities, classes that you took in school, or any training programs that you have taken. And speaking of extracurriculars, if you participated in any sports and you had a leadership role, so maybe you were a president of a club, put that information in your profile as well. This will show employers that you learned organizational skills, leadership skills, and would be a great asset to anyone's team. Tip number 3, your work experience. This is where you list all of the jobs you've had, past jobs, your current position, if you volunteered, if you babysat, or even helped an elderly neighbor. Put all of that information into your work experience section. You can also add this information to your profile faster by uploading your resume. For each job, make sure you include the job title, the name of the company, your responsibilities while you were there, and how long you worked there. Tip number 4, your skills. We know you have skills, and now is the time to show them off. Many employers look for applicants with a specific skill set, so make sure you list as many as possible. And that can be cashiering, managing money, customer service experience, being able to work with different people. These are all great skills to have. They also look for technical skills. So if you have a really good foundation in Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word, put that information down too. These are all skills that employers need. Tip number 5, your tagline and summary. Your summary is a short sentence that says who you are and what you're looking for. Be sure to keep your summary short. 1 to 2 sentences is all you need. To learn more about LinkedIn or to get help with your LinkedIn profile, head to getschool.com. You can also text jobs to 335577. To keep up on the latest videos from Get Schooled, be sure to hit the subscribe button. See you later.